Welcome to Forces and Tricks. Now today we will learn how to program ONITY Door Lock. So here I change actually battery, and when I switch on, and you can see it's showing connected to the computer. And then let's go to, we'll connect to the ONITY computer.
वो तो मैं पोस्ट किया अभी.
So due to reception, actually we were silent. We connect with ONITY PC, and we connect with a portable programmer, and we load it. So it means like we can say we update it. So now here we are to the guest room, and we'll connect it. Yes, we call it portable programmer. So here is the option to connect. This is ONITY Door Lock. And now we will switch on. Let's see. And before that, actually I want to show it's there is only red light. You can see only there is red light even from MasterCard. So here is update, and I hope you can see. Let's see once. Okay. Read. Test. Oh, I think battery is loose. Oh, okay. Let's switch on again. Test. And then initialize. Yeah. Let's go to initialize. And press enter. Door. Here is room number. It's 907, so we'll select 907. Okay, now we selected 907, we'll press enter. Okay. Let's try now. We'll see it's opening or not. Yeah, you can see now it's open. Now we can see it's open now. So that's it. Just we will disconnect from here, and this is card, and see it's opening. It means there is green light. So program is successful. This is portable program for ONITY Door Lock. So even if we install new lock, we have to update first in the system, in the PC, and to program portable program machine, and then we have to connect and initialize the system, and choose room number and press enter. So I hope if someone don't know how to program, it's a useful video for them. Thank you for watching. Thank you.